Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bonfida. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Bonfida broke out a quite big falling wedge pattern, and after that, on a daily time frame chart, it also broke out another rising wedge pattern as well. The falling wedge pattern was, by the way, broken out on this 7 days time frame chart, and on a daily time frame chart, it formed this rising wedge pattern, and you can see that after the breakout, it pumped very well, but again, re-entered the same rising wedge pattern, and you can see that now it is bounced from the support of this wedge, and for the past few days, it is again struggling to break out the resistance. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this quite long-term resistance zone that starts from 28 cents and goes to 35 cents. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that this resistance zone has been previously working as a support zone here and support zone here. And here you can see that when the price line entered inside the support zone after this huge drop in the month of June 2022, we bounced very well. And now it is breaking as a resistance zone for the past several weeks or months. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal for Bonfida that I shared in the month of December on 13th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern that Bonfida formed with US dollar pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. This was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied more than 87%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Bonfida, and this is the weekly. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame, and you can see that after breaking out a big falling wedge pattern, it was stuck inside in another rising wedge pattern. In fact, we found the support and resistance of this rising wedge pattern when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern. And you can see that here we broke it out. The target for this breakout from this rising wedge pattern was here. That was approximately at 41 cents, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target and also broke out this resistance zone for a few days, but again moved down and re-entered the same rising wedge pattern, and now it is bounced from the same support of the rising wedge pattern. You can see that this is a quite long-term support, and this support is coming from 12th of October 2023, and you can see that we have bounced very well, and now for the past few days it is struggling to break it out. And if it will be able to break it out, this resistance of rising wedge pattern, then it can easily break out the resistance, this quite long-term resistance zone. And this upper band of the resistance zone is here. This upper resistance is at 35 cents. And then I'm expecting that after breaking out this resistance, it can imminently move to the next major resistance on the 7 days time frame chart we have here at 60 cents. That had been previously working as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. And again, it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line. And in case of a rejection, it can again drop down and test the support of the rising wedge pattern. At the same time, it can also test this long-term resistance of 28 cents as well. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout that has already happened on the 7 days time frame chart, that target is here at the top of this big falling wedge pattern. That is between $9 to $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.